Every laptop begins far from the factory floor. It starts with raw materials pulled from the earth. Metals are separated, sorted, and prepared. Energy storage begins with lithium.
Each resource is carefully captured.
Even glass begins as simple sand.
Precision materials are refined at the source.
Now, the journey to the factory begins.
Raw materials begin their long journey.
Each shipment is carefully coordinated. Timing is critical in modern manufacturing. Every delivery is tracked and secured. Nothing enters unchecked. Materials reach their destination. Precision begins before production. The factory takes over. This is where raw potential becomes precision. Every movement follows a system. Order is established from the first step inside. Everything is built around flow. Materials are handed to the system. Scale demands coordination. Every process is monitored. Preparation begins. Before precision, everything must be purified. Even invisible particles matter. Surfaces are prepared for accuracy. Moisture is removed, stability restored. Every piece is evaluated. Human judgment still plays a role. Only the right parts move forward. The foundation is now ready. Core processing begins with control. Strength is formed at millimeter scale. Accuracy is non-negotiable. Every surface is refined. Protection is built in. Stability is locked. Consistency keeps everything aligned. The transformation accelerates. This is where structure meets function. Every component has a precise home. Heat control is engineered, not guessed. Human precision supports automation. Everything is locked into place. Order prevents failure. Verification happens at every step. Complexity becomes routine. Automation brings speed without chaos. Machines see what humans cannot. Precision is measured in microns. Time is compressed without compromise. Strength is added automatically. Flow never stops. Control remains constant. The process sharpens. Details define the final result. Every surface is refined. Identity is permanently embedded. Quality is seen, not assumed. Everything fits by design. Protection is finalized. Stability completes the form. Now, performance must be proven. Performance is never assumed. Every system, is verified. Stress reveals the truth. Durability is measured, not guessed. Even flaws invisible to the eye are caught. Human judgment. Human judgment confirms machine results. Only approved units move forward. The process nears completion. Protection is the final step of care. Prepared for the world. Beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce advanced technology from start to finish.